Hey babes, welcome back. In this video I want to show you a quick hack to speeding up your blog publishing process in Squarespace. Basically what we're going to do is create a blog post template that's going to have all the elements that you'll use over and over and over, so that when the time comes for you to publish a new blog post, all you have to do is replace the content. Trust me, this is a major time saver, and when I first discovered it I was like, yeah, I can do that. So we're going to start with clicking the plus sign, and we're going to name our post as blog post template to copy, because I already have a blog post template. So as usual we have the text block, so this is our very first paragraph, and now we're just going to copy that sentence a few times, because, you know, life wouldn't be fun in any other way, and besides, this is all going to get placed anyway. So we have our first paragraph, and then let's say we want to add an image. So we're going to add an image, and thanks to Unsplash integration, let's search for desktop, for example, because I really do love desktop images. So let's go with this one. This one kind of sort of matches my vibe. And now that it's finally done processing, click apply. Now you can just continue adding new elements. So you can do that by clicking the teardrop or clicking the plus sign, whichever floats your boat. So let's go with the text again, and let's just paste in, oops, not spotlight. How did that come about? And there we go. And let's just pretend that's the remainder of our post. So now you can add a button. I usually have my free member hub, so join my free members hub, and let's paste the link to that. And then I have usually a summary block. I do believe uses a carousel layout, so we're going to select blog, and no, I said blog. Layout 3, that's fine. Display, we want the title and the thumbnail, we don't want the excerpt, and no metadata, because I mean like that. And let's filter by category, so let's go with branding, and we don't have enough posts there, so let's just go with Squarespace and click apply. And then I have another text that basically says, did you like this post? I'd love it if you shared it everywhere. And I usually set that as heading 3 and center it. And I think that about covers it. Let me delete that. Usually if I have anything else, you know, then I'll add it. If I have like a video, or, oh yeah, we have the embed. Yeah, we have the embed code, or actually the code, just the code. So we'll add that, and then we have div style display none, and we have image source google.com, just, you know, to have it there. And basically, yeah, let's just copy that a few times, because we usually have 4 pins. Click apply. That will not show up, and now all you have to do is click on save, and it'll show up in your draft section. Now what you can do is click on edit every time you go to write a new blog post, and then you simply click on duplicate, change the title to whatever the title of your post is, and then you start replacing the content of the post. And that's basically it. Of course, some elements will not change, like your button, or that's your call to action. You might want to change the summary feature in here, or if you're using it, or if not. And of course, you can also change this and add other elements if you need them for this particular blog post. But that's basically a very pared down version of a blog post, and how you can create your own template to save you time when you're writing blog posts. And we're going to save it one more time, and then when you're ready to publish it, you know, you can do all the usual good stuff that come with it. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.